Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the eraser in TradingView. First, navigate to the Drawing Tools menu, typically found on the left side of your chart interface. Once there, simply click on the eraser icon to activate it. With the eraser selected, you can then click directly on any drawing object you wish to remove from your chart. It's a quick and efficient way to clean up your workspace. The eraser tool offers flexibility beyond simple clicks. You can choose to remove individual objects or clear multiple drawings at once. For a completely fresh chart, utilize the Remove All Drawing Tools option, which is incredibly handy. To access more advanced settings or to customize its behavior, simply right-click on the eraser icon itself. This reveals further options to streamline your chart management. To use the eraser effectively, always confirm your selection before removing any critical drawings, especially if you've spent time on analysis. If you make a mistake, don't worry. The Undo button is your best friend and can quickly restore accidentally deleted objects. Developing a habit of regularly clearing old or irrelevant drawings will significantly improve your chart's clarity and overall readability, making your trading decisions easier. For more advanced users, consider combining the eraser with the Object Tree feature for highly precise deletions, especially when dealing with overlapping drawings. Learning keyboard shortcuts for the eraser can also dramatically speed up your workflow, saving you valuable time during active trading. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.